Hi guys, welcome to another edition of What Can We Cook from the Dough Hook. If this TikTok showed up on your For You page, hello, we are going to make brats tonight. If you came to this TikTok because you scanned a QR code in your Dough Hook dinner, welcome and thank you for purchasing a Dough Hook dinner. We're gonna make beer brats. We're gonna use brats from the Dough Hook. We make these by hand, by the way. An onion, some butter, and a hot skillet. Let's get started. First thing we're gonna do, this is about a half of a stick of butter. You can use margarine, and you don't need to use a cast iron skillet. You don't even need to cook your brats this way if you don't want to. Throw them on the grill, go outside. But we're gonna melt our butter. Once your skillet is good and hot and your butter is melted, you're gonna place your brats in there, and all you really wanna do at this point is sear the outside of them. Now, while those brats are searing, you're gonna take and you're gonna slice up your onion. Once your brats get a good color on them, you're gonna add your onion. Once you get your onions on, you're gonna take a can of your favorite beer. This was not in your kit, because I don't have a liquor license. Then you're just gonna let that beer come to a boil, and you're just gonna let it cook off. It'll cook all the way off until it gets a nice caramelized sauce. So good. Okay, that's probably gonna take a good 20 or 30 minutes until all that beer cooks off of there. So while that's cooking, we're gonna get some of our sides ready. This is our signature macaroni and cheese. This stuff is delicious. We're gonna get that in the microwave. All you're gonna do is pop this off, take a knife, poke 5 holes in it. Follow the instructions on the box. So your meal kit should also have a bag of frozen green beans in there. You're just gonna put that in a pan, put a little bit of water in the bottom of it, put a lid on it, and put it on the stove top on medium heat until it boils and the beans become tender. Drain the water, add some butter, enjoy. Alright guys, so it's been about 15 minutes, 20 minutes maybe, and all that beer has now cooked off of here, and you see how they're starting to form a little bit of a glaze. I'm going to do a temp test on these and we'll see if they're done. See that? They're over 165, so they are done. And notice how I stuck the thermometer into the end of the sausage. You always want to get it into the thickest part of the sausage. So we're just going to turn these on low and let them simmer until the rest of our food is ready. Forgot the green beans. You all have frozen green beans in your kits. I'm using my canned green beans because the frozen ones are for you. Alright guys, there is our finished product. Literally less than 30 minutes on the plate, on the table. You guys enjoy your dinner.